So the cabinets I'm gonna be working on today are this one, which is my pantry. I'm gonna take everything out and reorganize that. Then I'm going to take this stuff down, and so what I'm gonna do is switch out, like the stuff that I have here, I'm gonna put on the cabinet at the end, and the stuff that I have on the end, I'm gonna bring it over here. And you'll see that in a minute. So yeah, so this stuff I'm gonna take down. And then these corner cabinets are fine. This is my storage containers, measuring cup and stuff like that. This is well organized, so I'm not gonna mess with these cabinets here. And so yeah, I have my dishes, overflow on the top, I have my wine glasses, glassware, dishes, like my everyday stuff. So yeah, those are doing fine. I need to reorganize like the food stuff. That's my main objective today. And then above the microwave, I don't have anything up here, because this is where it's plugged in, so I don't have anything. Oh, I do. I have, it's a random cake pan. Okay, maybe I'll find another spot for that. But then this is the stuff that I want to move over to the other cabinet. So I have all my breakfast stuff and my vitamins, and I have little Ziploc with some oatmeal. So yeah, so these are the cabinets, the top cabinets that I'm gonna deal with today. And then underneath, this is where I have all my Nespresso pods and everything. I may reorganize this stuff, go through, see what's in there. I might be able to weed out. This drawer is gonna stay the same. This is where I have all my dish towels and placemats. Then I have some mixing bowls here. Maybe I'll find another spot for that. And I have some random bags. Need to like empty that out. And then underneath the sink, I'm gonna take, this is well organized here in the front. I mean, this is working fine for me. It's the stuff that's all the way in the back. Like every time I need something from back there, I need to get on my knees. So I'm getting tired of doing that. So I think I'm gonna try and find another spot for that stuff. And what else? Then on this side, this cabinet here at the end of the peninsula, it's like my little junk drawer, which is fine. This is well organized. I'm not gonna mess with that. But then underneath here, I have some other random stuff I'm gonna take out, wipe down, and see what I can get rid of, if anything. And then this is the island here. What I wanna do, I bought another roll of the white liner, shelf liner. So I'm gonna replace the brown one that's down here because it's looking kind of dingy, and wipe everything down. Probably go through this stuff too, see if there's anything that I can get rid of there. This drawer, I'm gonna add the liner to, because I never put a liner underneath. So when I open the drawer, sometimes things slide around. And then this drawer is fine. This is my pots. And then on the bottom, I have my pans and my strainer. The big cabinet is where I store water. Then I have on the end of the peninsula I have another storage area here, which I have two empty bins. So maybe I can rearrange and put some stuff here. This was where I had the toilet tissue, and if you saw my linen closet organization, I wound up taking them from here and I put them into the linen closet, which was closer to the bathroom, which makes sense. All right, so that's what I'm working with today. And so I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'm gonna start by emptying the cabinets. And so let's get to it. clear bins. If you saw my the last thrift haul that I did, I got these at the Salvation Army Family Store. I think $2. I think I paid $2. But I'm gonna use these for the spices and stuff like that. See, they don't fit the long way lengthwise. I think I'm going to put them sideways and see how that works. I just found these. These were giveaway when my daughter got married a couple of years ago. They gave in the goodie bags Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Okay, it says best by December 21st, 2022. So I guess I'll be throwing these away. Empty out all that stuff in the black hole corner there. So this is all the stuff that I took out of that little corner. So I think what I'm going to do is put it under that empty area under the peninsula where I had those empty bins, that's gonna be a perfect spot for them. Wasn't too bad. These are just the things that I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of this because I have a lemon. I have another way of squeezing my fruit. These are just extra that I was holding on to for what, I don't know why. And then I have these little, like honey, and then these little wooden spoons. I haven't used them. I'm probably not going to use them, so I'm going to throw those away. The straws I'm going to put where I have all the coffee, the beverage stuff. Okay, and then I only have that one roll. Worked really well. Okay, so here's how the pantry cabinet wound up. So I put all the spices in one of the clear bins, and I have taller things in the back. All my canned goods now are nicely stacked. And so now I have all my oils and stuff up there, condiments, rice pasta. And then here is where I moved. I have all my breakfast stuff. So I have, you know, syrup, pancake batter, some cereal, and then one of the other clear bins, I put the oatmeal packets and some chips and crackers, and then I have some instant coffee for when I don't drink my Nespresso. And then on the left is where I moved the vitamins and the blender and the Nespresso frother and some random cups. And then down here on the left I have, I think the only thing I got rid of was another cutting board that I wasn't using, and I just wiped everything down, put everything back, because everything else here I use, so that was fine. Then under the sink, I no longer have to get on my knees and go all the way to the corner to get overflow cleaning products, and I just have the regular stuff that I use every day and some cleaning cloths. And yeah, so that's under the sink. And then where I had the Nespresso pods and the Ziplocs, I took 2 of the gray bins, and I have the tea back there now, and then I put all the Nespresso pods here. And then I moved straws from the utensil drawer, I put them here. And then here I have the mixing bowls, I put them back. And then I just got rid of a lot of those grocery bags, and I put them in a Ziploc, so I just have a few there. So if I need to reuse one of those. And then on the island, the utensil drawer, so that roll of that liner only was enough for this drawer and this drawer. The last area was, this is where I put all the overflow cleaning products that were in that corner shelf under the sink. So now all I have to do is move the chair, and if I need to access anything, I don't have to get on my knees, and it's much easier. That's it for the kitchen organization. So now I'm gonna go back to watching I Love Lucy. I don't know if anybody's I Love Lucy fan. I mean, I could watch her every day, all day, because she's just like the funniest comedian. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today, and see you guys next week. Bye.